What is up, gang? Nick here. Welcome to the show. If you're new, thanks for coming back. If you're not, shout out to everyone who went in on our Discord trades the past few weeks. Our penny stock portfolio is trading up 50% and I'm confident we'll be at 100% soon. I've done a ton of research and scoured for my favorite penny stocks, and these are the companies I see the most short and long-term upside in. Make sure to watch until the end. Before we get it today, Webull is giving out 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. All you have to do is 1. Sign up, 2. Open an account, and 3. Deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. They are a 0% commissions trading platform and offers some of the best analytics in the game. You do not want to sleep on this. Check out our Patreon page. There's more content, my portfolios, under the radar stocks, and more updates. This also gains you access to our private Discord channels. This is where you'll find all of my trades in real time, exclusive chats about up and comers, my favorite stocks. Make sure to check it out. You don't want to miss any of the stock picks. Alright gang, no time to waste. Let's get right into it. Alright, the first company I want to talk about is one of my favorite penny stocks right now. I first told my subscribers to go in at the low 2s, and we're now trading up over 100%. This is Senseonics Holdings, trading under ticker symbol SENS on the NYSE American. Now I'm going to tell you why I think this stock is about to explode. This company is positioned in the continuous glucose monitoring sphere. They design a small sensor that is inserted underneath the skin of patients diagnosed with diabetes. The sensor then transmits real-time blood chemistry and glucose levels to your phone every 5 minutes, improving accuracy, allowing transparency, and discarding the need for patients with diabetes to check their glucose levels the traditional way by pricking their finger and manually checking their blood. This is bringing glucose monitoring into the 21st century, and they are disrupting the industry. With levels of diabetes only unfortunately escalating across the globe, Senseonics is extremely well positioned for this coming landscape. Now, what makes this company so topical and current right now, and why investors are absolutely flocking to this company, is that they are currently awaiting FDA approval for their Eversense device, likely in Q2 this year. If FDA approval is indeed granted, there is no shed of doubt that shares will skyrocket, and I do want to be positioned for this potential eventuality. We don't see much share consolidation happening here. Investors aren't swing trading or profit taking. We instead see a steady surge in their share price, and I think this will only continue until the FDA announcement. I will be keeping a very close eye on this company in the coming days, weeks, and months. I will update the Patreon page as soon as I catch wind. You do not want to miss this one. The next stock I want to talk about is in the biomedical and biotech sphere. If you have watched my channel before, you will know I do have a degree in science and focus a large portion of my investment strategy on small biotech and pharma companies that I see massive upside in. I like what I'm seeing here. This company is called Obseva, trading on the Nasdaq under ticker symbol OBSV. This company is up 150% since just last month and just finished the last trading period up 27.20%. With any surge like this, we're likely to see a significant pullback, and I will be adding a position on Monday if we do see a dip. Now, why are investors so bullish on this company currently? Well, they are a clinical stage women's reproductive health innovative biopharm company. Now, this is an industry that's been underserved, and Obseva, based out of Switzerland, is changing this. They are nearing the end of their phase 3 trials, and the European Medicines Agency has validated Obseva's request for review for their leading drug candidate, Celti. This is focused on uterine fibroids and endometriosis. I will be updating you all on this. This one could go parabolic in the coming days and weeks. Alright, moving on. Cathie Wood, the CEO of legendary ARK Invest, is extremely bullish on this next company and has been for quite some time. This company is called Ceragon, trading on the Nasdaq under ticker symbol CRNT. Now, this is a really cool company based out of Israel and well poised for the coming 5G landscape. They are trading at $5.03 and are currently coming off a 16% slip. I think any position under 510 currently is a steal on the company long term. They are a networking equipment vendor focused on P2P connectivity, mostly for wireless backhaul. I do think after this dip we just saw, we'll likely see shares climb back up once again. The company just announced they have increased their 5G technology design wins from 5 to 9 during the last quarter and brought in $74 million in Q4 revenue, nearly breaking even at only a 4-cent loss per share. As our world increasingly moves online, supply will need to meet demand, and I do think 5G stocks will rally over the next few quarters and years. I will be keeping a close eye during their next quarter's earnings and where they land in terms of EPS. I'll also be watching Cathie Wood and ARK Invest moves to see if they buy additional shares on the dips. The next penny stock I want to talk about is equally as topical. As hyperinflation and stimulus floods the market, the spending value of dollars is plummeting rapidly, and investors are looking for alternative sources of investment which will hold value. This is driving the insane surge of cryptocurrencies currently. We also see institutional money flooding crypto. We see the richest man in the world, Elon Musk, giving it its full support and even pumping it. Even Tesla will begin accepting crypto, and it's not only gaining steam, but exponentially increasing its relevance and investor trust. This is shooting up blockchain technology stocks as well. The next company I want to look at is an absolutely fascinating company, Hive Blockchain Technologies, trading under ticker symbol HIVE on the CVE. This company is trading up over 1,500% in just the past couple of months, and there is no end in sight. They just had yet another day in the green, up 12.03%. Now, they are a crypto miner and speculative as of right now. Hive is linked to the hip to the price of Bitcoin and other cryptos, and if we do see a continued bull run on crypto, which many analysts think may happen, Hive will likely continue surging. I'm keeping this one on my radar and will purchase a small speculative play if we see a significant dip in the coming weeks. Alright, the last company I want to talk about is debatably my favorite play right now, and I've saved it for last. This is a company I have talked about extensively and see massive upside in. This is Nano Dimension, trading on the Nasdaq under ticker symbol NNDM. Nano Dimension is a 3D printer company specializing in 3D printing circuit boards. Using their technology, they are able to print more circuitry into a finite quantity of space using the layering effects of 3D printers. They are also able to add a level of flexibility to their circuitry, which will be essential in our coming landscape. Their circuit boards can be used in a vast array of industries such as the medicinal field, aerospace, hearing aids, and there is even talk that soon entire vehicles will be 3D printed, and these will need to be outfitted with 3D printed circuit boards. Now, they have broken through the $10 ceiling. They are technically no longer classified as a penny stock, however they still act with a ton of volatility, and just a few weeks ago they were under 10. In my opinion, they are too hot right now, and there is too much upside to leave them out of the list. I'm continually adding NNDM to my portfolio on every single dip day. Don't forget about the Webull promo, 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. Check out our Patreon page. Like I said, we will be releasing every single one of these trades moving throughout 2021. There's more content behind the scenes under the radar stocks. You do not want to miss any of it. Patreon also gives you access to our exclusive private discords. The chat is always popping off. There's great stock tips in there, and all of my trades will be tracked in real time. You do not want to miss it. Anyways, everyone, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, happy trading, cheers.